Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my name is Zulvan and today I will present my homework about why mask is important in pandemic COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has reshaped life as we know it. Many of us are staying home, avoiding people on the street and changing daily habits like going to school or work in ways never imagined. While we are changing our behaviors, there are new routines we need to adopt. First and foremost is the habit of wearing a mask or face covering whenever we are in a public space. Based on our prior work in outbreaks of infection disease, we know that clear, consistent messages about what people can do to protect themselves and their community are critical. By the messaging on masks has been confused. Early in the pandemic, the general public was told not to wear masks. This was driven by the long-standing recognition that standard surgical masks, also called medical masks, are insufficient to protect the wearer from many respiratory pathogens, as well as the concern about diverting limited supplies from healthcare settings. And these are some of the things we've learned. And number one, mask and face covering can prevent the wearer from transmitting the COVID-19 virus to others, and many provide some protection to the wearer. Number two, many people with COVID-19 are unaware they are carrying the virus. Number three, universal mask use can significantly reduce virus transmission in the community. Masks are not perfect barriers to transmission, but they don't need to be perfect if they are not used alone. Universal mask use should be accompanied by other public health measures such as physical distancing, testing, contact tracing, and restrictions. On large gathering, these measures are not perfect either. But when many imperfect measures are combined at the community level, they can be very effective at slowing transmission and reducing infection. Masks can also reduce the inequitable impact of the pandemic, particularly for those who live in crowded environments where physical distancing is difficult, and for those who work in front lines, roles where there is a greater risk of exposure to the virus. And this is my presentation about why mask is important in pandemic COVID-19. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.